Hello, my name is Guido van Hollwegen. I'm the founder of Nasava, and I'm going to explain how you can clean a dirty ceramic water filter so that you can use it again. You can clean the ceramic water filter with a brush, a sponge or an iron sponge. The ceramic might not become white again. The discoloring is a natural process. It does not affect the effectiveness of the filter. After cleaning, rinse the filter with water. After cleaning the filter, don't forget to check if the thickness of the ceramic wall is still sufficient by using the indicator. If the indicator doesn't fit on the ceramic yet, like here, the water filter is still safe to use and the bacterial removal efficiency will still be very high. In case it fits on, like in this example, that means that you have to replace the water filter candle. You can buy a new one in our website or at your local reseller. Thank you.